There was a man who looked in the mirror every morning and hated what he saw. But one day, that broken mirror taught him something that changed his entire life. Today, I'm going to tell you a story that will transform the way you think forever. His name was Arjun, 28 years old, dreams in his eyes, but only failures in his hands. Every gallery rejected him. Every competition he lost. His friends were moving forward, and he was stuck, a loser in his own eyes. One night, he threw away all his brushes. "I am nothing," he said. "No talent, no ability." In a garden, an old wise artist saw him. "Son, your problem is not your art. Your problem is your view of yourself." Arjun said, "But I truly am nothing." The elder smiled. "Do one thing. For 21 days, every morning stand in front of the mirror and say, 'I am talented. I am capable. I can be successful.' Just 21 days." Arjun thought this was madness, but he agreed. The next day, January 1st. This wasn't a resolution, it was the beginning of a revolution. In the first week, Arjun felt ridiculous. "I'm doing dramas," he thought. But he didn't stop. Every morning in front of the mirror. In the second week, something started to change. He began creating art again. He placed his art in a small cafe. And listen, his first painting sold. Only 500 rupees, but for him, it was like winning Olympic gold. Something magical was happening inside him. By the third week, Arjun had transformed. He wasn't the same man. There was a sparkle in his eyes. He created a painting so powerful that the gallery owner who had previously rejected him came himself and offered him an exhibition. This is the power of self-confidence. But this story isn't just about Arjun. This is science. Neuroplasticity. When you speak positively about yourself, your brain literally rewires itself. In 21 days, new neural pathways form. Psychology has proven it. What you think about yourself, you become. Harvard study, 85% of success depends on confidence, only 15% on talent. 6 months later, Arjun had a solo exhibition in the biggest gallery. The same artist who couldn't get an appointment, now collectors were waiting to meet him. But the greatest thing, he was happy now. Not just successful, but happy. And this happiness came from confidence. So now I'm asking you, can you invest in yourself for the next 21 days? Just do this. Every morning, 2 minutes in front of the mirror. Tell yourself, I am capable, I am worthy, I can be successful. Take one small action every day toward your goals. Remember, self-confidence is not a gift that some have and others don't. It's a skill that develops with practice. Arjun wasn't a superhuman. He was ordinary who made an extraordinary decision. Start today, right now, after this video. The first step, because everything you need is already inside you. You just have to believe it. You are not who you think you are. You are who you decide to be. Now, it's time to change your life.